Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Uche here again, and today's video, hope you guys are good. Sorry guys, hope you guys are good. Fine, I'm also good. Today my aunt is going to be transforming me into a slay queen. Oh my god, I'm super excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and of course leave a comment. Like, you know, I'm turning into a slay queen today, so you know, let's get started.
Rain don't come in November, 'cause the summer went way too fast. I'm trying real hard to remember all of the good times and memories we had. And you called out crying. You said our love was worth dying for. Yeah, that's why you keep on trying. But I'm really not moved by your tears no more. Yeah, she said if I can't have you, baby, then nobody else ever will. Yeah, because you've been driving me so crazy. I just hope that this love is for real. Yeah. She wanna hold me down and never let me go. You moving way too fast. We need to take it slow, girl. High key. You need to find somebody else besides me. Yeah, I understand that you like me. What a thought though. Rejection is a hard pill to swallow. If it's love, then let it be. 'Cause if you force it, you gon' end up with your heart broke. Yeah. I hope the rain don't come in November, 'cause the summer went way too fast. I'm trying real hard to remember all of the good times and memories we had. And she called out crying. You said our love was worth dying for. That's why she keep on trying. But I'm really not moved by your tears no more. You said your love was real, you said your love is strong. You tryna hold me tight and never let me go. You moving way too fast, we need to take it slow. Guess that's what happens when you hanging in for way too long. Girl, high key, you need to find somebody else besides me. Yeah, I understand that you like me. What a thought though. Rejection is a hard pill to swallow. If it's love, then let it be. 'Cause if you force it, you gon' end up with your heart broke. I hope the rain don't come in November, 'cause the summer went way too fast. I'm trying real hard to remember all of the good times and memories we had. And she called out crying. You said our love was worth dying for.
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start